Let me show you exactly how to find and copy a GitHub repository link so you can share it. Open your browser and go to github.com. If the page asks, sign in with your GitHub account. Once you're signed in, click your profile picture in the top right corner. A drop-down menu opens. In some layouts, the icon is just your avatar, but the menu has the same items. Choose your repositories. That takes you to a list of every repository your account owns or has access to. Find the repository you want to share and click its name. I'm using my Dash project, but yours will be whatever you named it. Lambdagun. Now you're on the main repository page. Look up at the browser address bar. The URL should look like github.com/your-username/repository-name. If it has extra words at the end, like /tree/main, click the repository name at the top left of the page. That brings you back to the clean root address. You want that because a link that drops someone into a subfolder or a branch is messy. Don't copy the URL from a search engine or a different tab. You want the address while the repository is open in front of you. Click once inside the address bar. The whole URL should be highlighted. If it isn't, press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac. Then press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. The link is now on your clipboard. There's no pop-up, so don't wait for one. GitHub has its own copy button too, and I use it when I want to be sure I'm copying the exact repository URL. Look above the file list on the right side of the repository page. The file list is the big table in the middle of the page. There's a green code button. Click it. A drop-down opens. At the top of that drop-down, make sure the local tab is selected. Underneath it, click HTTPS. I always use HTTPS for sharing because it gives you a normal web link. SSH is listed right next to it, but that's for cloning with a key, and it won't work as a clickable link for the other person. Skip it unless you know exactly why you need it. With HTTPS selected, the repository URL appears in the field. Click the copy button next to it. It looks like two overlapping squares. The icon flips to a check mark for a second, and now the same link is back on your clipboard. Before you send it, look next to the repository name at the top left of the page. There's a small badge that says either public or private. If it says public, anyone with the link can open it, even without a GitHub account. If it says private, the link alone is not enough. The person on the other end has to be added as a collaborator before the page will load for them. Now open the app where you need to share the link. That could be an email, a chat message, Microsoft Teams, Slack, a document, or a YouTube description. Click in the body of the message so your cursor is placed exactly where you want the link. Press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. The repository link appears. Give the message a second to turn it into a clickable preview, then hit send. The recipient just clicks it and their browser opens the repository. If someone comes back and says they got a 404 or a sign-in wall, the repository is almost always private and they were never added. Go back to the repository, click Settings at the top of the repository page. In the left sidebar, click Collaborators. Click Add People. Type their GitHub username or email. I set the role to read if they only need to view the code. Send the invite, and once they accept, the exact same link opens without a problem. And if you need to share a link to one specific file instead of the whole repository, open that file first. Press the Y key. The address bar changes to a longer URL that's pinned to the current commit. Copy that address instead. It prevents the link from pointing at whatever the file becomes later. If this got you exactly what you needed, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.